Hello everyone, it's Anyayahan here again from Saladmaster in Perth. And today we have a very special dish to show you. And this is episode 2 of Cooking with my husband. And of course, we want to show you this very beautiful cookware here. The limited edition 75 years commemorative cookware of Saladmaster, the 12-quart roaster. And so, without further ado, let me call my very special guest, my very good husband, Mr. Anyayahan. Hi, babe!
Hello everyone, I'm Tino from 5C Marketing.
And what are you going to cook today?
Pork sisig.
Pork sisig. And I don't know the translation in English, but this is another dish just to give you an idea. This is another dish that when my friends are coming over, he will be cooking and they will love it. I know in the Philippines, the different town, they cook it differently, but this is his style. The Batangueño style, sisig from Batangas. Okay, what do we have here? How are we going to cook it?
Need to boil it.
Okay, so we added water here in the 12-quart roaster. And of course, we bought the pig's head and cut in half. He just washed it and then time to put it here. And that's the beauty of this roaster because it has this wide capacity, very big, and wow, perfect for one full head of pig. Actually, we have to make a correction. It's not a Batangas style, Batangueño style, sisig. It's actually
From Pampanga style.
you got it from a friend in
Yep.
Pampanga? Okay, so Pampanga style, but I want to call it Tino's style, sisig. And to those who are non-Filipino, sisig is an exotic Filipino food. So some people might not like it. So, but for Filipinos out there, I know it's a typical Filipino food. So how long are we going to boil this head?
30 to 35 minutes.
30
It
to
depends.
30. It depends if it's like tender already. Okay. Okay, wait. After 30 to 40 minutes, once the meat is tender, what we're going to do next? Turn it off. And then, let's show. And so what we want to do is to separate the meat from the bones.
Yep.
Right? And then we will marinate the meat.
Lemon and
Lemon and what?
soy sauce.
Lemon and soy sauce. And of course, the water, there's so much still in here. Okay? So this one we will throw.
Yep.
You don't need it anymore. Okay.
Yep.
That's the beauty of this 12-quart. It's so huge. It can accommodate big quantity of food. So it's for a limited time only. Okay, so after we remove the head, we wash the cookware. And then now what are you putting?
Lemon and soy sauce to make the taste of the, sisig
Better.
better.
It's tastier. So we
Yeah.
will marinate this meat. Okay, so lemon. How many lemons did you put in there?
3.
Okay, 3 pieces of lemon and then soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Normally, you don't measure. No?
Yep.
Maybe around 1 cup. 1 cup to 2 cups of soy sauce and then lemon. They have calamansi. Is it okay?
Yep. Better the lemon when you make the sisig.
Okay, now let's put some onion. For number 4. So that's lemon, soy sauce, onion, and then garlic.
And
Pepper, black pepper. Okay, and now what are you going to do? Start separating the meat. Using a Saladmaster knife. This is kind of hard to do. Is it hard?
No, Mike.
So after you cut, you just marinate here. And we'll probably marinate it overnight just so it will be tasty.
Not totally overnight.
Normally do it like 1-2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show them what it looks like after we cut the meat, separate the bones. And then of course we will marinate this for, normally do it for 1 or 2 hours, but we will leave it overnight because it's already night time. And we're back! We are going to see what we've done last night. So, ta-da! So this is our marinated pork. Okay, what are we going to do, Mr. Chef?
Grill.
Okay, using the... So you can use your barbecue, but we're using our electric skillet for this. It's very cold in Perth, so I have 2 electric skillet here. We already heated up 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will put that. Okay, we can start. Make sure that when you're grilling, no lid. Keep it open, okay? So when you use it as a grill, leave it open like this. So while we're waiting, we'll prepare some of the ingredients, which is onion, lemon, and ginger. And of course, lots of chili, because it's meant to be spicy. Alright, let's use the Saladmaster machine for our onion. Phone number, maybe 3. Bigger. 2? Okay.
Ginger. Cone number 2.
Okay, now after grilling the meat, trying to
Cut it.
into small pieces. Okay, so in the middle of cutting, of course, this is a 12-quart roaster of Saladmaster. You wanna add some
Ginger.
ginger. So I actually cut 125 grams of ginger using cone number 2. Why were you doing that in the middle?
To remove the
Unnecessary smell.
smell.
Bad smell.
And also the...
You're gonna put everything? Okay, later. And of course, we cut the lemon into 4 and the onion. We actually swapped cone number 2 and 3. So this is around how many kilos? 2?
1.5.
1.5 kilos. So easy if you have the Saladmaster machine. Imagine if you have a knife, how much time do you need to cut this much onions? Okay, so this is our sisig. And now what are we going to do, Mr. Chef?
Need to add red chili.
How many? What's that? 100 grams.
Yep.
Then you cut it that way.
Yep.
Okay. But of course, it depends how spicy they want it to be. If it's really spicy, then you add more. And at this stage, what we just added was the meat, the ginger, the chili, and that's it. Okay.
Yep.
And then we'll
And
add onion, the rest of the onion.
Onion and garlic.
And this is the 12-quart roaster. Oh my gosh, perfect size for this kind of cooking where you're putting a lot of ingredients and you wanna mix it. There's so much room. Okay, and then
liver spread.
how many? 4 pieces. Okay. Of course, Filipino bread. Okay, now we are going to get the juice of the lemon. So cut it into 4, use cone number 1 of the Saladmaster machine. And for the container, we're actually using this. I just want to show the basket, the old basket of Saladmaster, perfect for draining or as a strainer. Okay, now we finished juicing the lemon, about 1 to 2 kilos, no?
Yep.
And then we got about 2 cups of juice here. So this is the beauty, can remove those of what we need to do, Mr. Chef.
You need to mix up.
So I'll put it slowly or?
Spread.
Okay.
Oh,
Then you keep tasting.
yeah.
That's a secret. That's why I don't know, he doesn't know how to measure because he just do it and then just taste
Salt and pepper.
about 2 teaspoons of salt, depending again on how you like it. And then about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And mix. I know other part of the Philippines, they make it with mayonnaise.
Yep.
But he preferred without mayonnaise. I prefer without mayonnaise too. After mixing it, he wants to slowly add the remaining onion. As he's mixing, he's adding a little bit every time. And then you taste if you like it. Actually, we did not use the entire lemon juice. So what we use here is about 1.5 cups only. Okay, so this is the finished product. Tino's special, Mr. Anyayahan special sisig. Time to taste. And you can heat it up. And then some people add egg too on the top. Okay, let me try. I really like the sisig. Oh, I'll be very biased. This is very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, so of course this is too big, right? So after you finish eating, you can put it in the fridge. The following day you can use any cookware. I prefer the 10-inch gamay skillet or your electric skillet if you want to, and we can make sizzling sisig. So we heat it up, do the water test. Now you can optionally you can put butter, which my husband is going to do. So let's lower the heat. Okay, not too much, just a little bit. And then, let's put the sisig. Yes, and of course, egg. So this is how you normally order it. Shallots. And of course, sisig is a perfect match for your beer or wine. So, this is for you. Whiskey. Okay, let's drink to that. Cheers to a fruitful 2021 for 5C Marketing and Saladmaster Perth. Thank you so much for all your support.
Cheers!
And there you go. This is Mr. Anyayahan's special sisig. So stay tuned next week because we will be cooking another special dish of Mr. Anyayahan using the 12-quart roaster. And if you still haven't got it yet, this is the best time. This is a limited edition, a special cookware available in July. So I hope you contact your dealer so you know how to get this one. And Mr. Anyayahan, you want to say anything?
If you like the video, please
hit like
and
subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.